Understanding the idiom. Carry a torch for. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, carry a torch for. This idiom is not just a collection of words. It's a window into emotions, history, and culture. So, if you're ready to enrich your English vocabulary and grasp the nuances of this intriguing expression, stay with us as we explore its meaning, origin, and usage. To carry a torch for someone means to harbor deep and enduring feelings, often of unrequited love or affection, for that person. It's a metaphorical way of saying that someone holds on to their love for another, much like carrying a flame that refuses to die out. This phrase is commonly used to describe a situation where someone continues to have feelings for another person, even if those feelings are not openly reciprocated or the relationship has ended. The idiom has a rich history, with roots that take us back to the early 20th century. Initially, the phrase was associated with the torchbearers in ancient Greek weddings, symbolizing the light and warmth of love. Over time, it evolved to represent a more longing or unfulfilled aspect of love. The torch, in this phrase, is symbolic of the light of love that someone carries in their heart for another person, often enduring and unwavering. Let's see how to use this expression in real-life scenarios. 1. Even though they broke up years ago, it's clear that he still carries a torch for her. 2. She's been carrying a torch for her high school sweetheart, hoping they'll reunite one day. 3. Despite the passage of time, his songs reveal that he still carries a torch for his first love. While carry a torch for is a poetic and somewhat romantic expression, it's crucial to understand its context. It often involves feelings that are not reciprocated, which can be sensitive for some. When using this phrase, be mindful of the emotional depth it may convey and the situation of the person you're discussing. We hope this exploration of the phrase, carry a torch for, has illuminated its meaning and usage for you. English is a language rich with expressions that capture the complexities of human emotions, and understanding them can add depth to your communication. Keep carrying your torch for learning, and until our next linguistic journey, stay curious and expressive.